Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Facebook photos. Firstly, you need to open your Facebook app. If you want to get all your photos back, tap on three-lined icon on the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Here you get the different options. Tap on settings, scroll down and under your information, tap on download your information. Then after that, tap on continue. This is where you can request a copy of your information at any time. Tap on request a download. Now you need to select your profile. Then tap on next. Here you have to select the information. If you want to download complete a copy or select type of information, let's tap on complete copy. Tap on submit request. It might take up to 24 hours to respond you back, but once you do that, they will send you a link with all of that data you asked for. And this is how we recover deleted Facebook photos. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.